Have you heard about the ritual of placing your name in salt water to purify the soul and attract positive energy? In this video, we will explore a practice based on Buddhist teachings that can transform your life. Water symbolizes wisdom and purity, while salt has the power to cleanse negative energy. When combined, they create a powerful tool to balance the mind, let go of attachments, and welcome positivity. With just one simple step, writing your name in salt water, you can remove obstacles and open the path to peace and prosperity. Practice with mindfulness and let positive energy guide your way. Before we begin, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I am ready to receive positive energy to help spread tranquility. Placing one's name in salt water is an expression of the intention to let go of what no longer serves. Open the heart to new blessings and connect with a state of purity. This is not merely a symbolic act, but a method of inner transformation, initiating changes from thoughts to reality. The deepest layers of our consciousness hold unconscious beliefs that influence our actions and outcomes. By practicing this ritual with mindfulness, we plant seeds of goodness, affirming our aspiration to transform both mind and life. According to Buddhist teachings, by changing the mind, we also transform the world around us. The act of placing one's name in salt water unites inner and outer energies, creating favorable conditions to attract peace, prosperity, love, and health. This ritual also serves as a meditative practice, allowing the practitioner to return to mindfulness, observe the mind without attachment, and cultivate clarity. As you write your name and immerse it in salt water, do so slowly and with awareness, focusing on your intentions and visualizing the positive changes you wish to manifest. This state of mindful presence helps quiet the mind, bringing clarity and receptivity to the blessings that may arise. Though simple, the saltwater name ritual carries deep spiritual meaning, reflecting fundamental Buddhist teachings on purification and karmic transformation. By maintaining this practice, one consciously embarks on a path of inner change, nurturing positive conditions and reaffirming diligence in the spiritual journey. Preparation is essential before performing the ritual. A glass or ceramic bowl is preferred over plastic or metal, as it symbolizes purity and does not interfere with the energy. Choosing a quiet, clean space is also important, as the environment directly influences one's state of mind and energy. Water should be pure, representing the clarity of the mind. In Buddhism, water is a symbol of wisdom and purification, helping to dispel afflictions. When preparing the water, remain calm and focused on your aspiration. Salt, particularly sea salt or coarse salt, carries strong purifying energy. Since ancient times, salt has been used to neutralize negativity and protect spiritual energy. When dissolving salt into the water, do so with mindfulness, recognizing that you are creating a vessel of purification and benevolence. Lastly, a piece of paper and a pen are needed to write your name or the name of the person for whom the ritual is performed, along with positive intentions. The paper represents the foundation on which aspirations are planted, allowing them to take root and flourish. Practice with sincerity and trust, allowing the ritual to serve as a bridge to inner peace, wisdom, and true happiness in life. When placing one's name in salt water, we express the aspiration to release what no longer serves us, open our hearts to new possibilities, and connect with the energy of purity. This is not merely a symbolic ritual, but also a method for transforming the mind, creating changes from within that extend into our lives. Deep within our consciousness lie unconscious beliefs that shape our actions and outcomes. When practicing this ritual with mindfulness, we sow seeds of virtue, affirming our aspiration to transform both body and mind. According to Buddhist teachings, by transforming our minds, we also transform the world around us. Placing one's name in salt water is an act of harmonizing internal and external energies, cultivating auspicious conditions that attract peace, prosperity, love, and well-being. This ritual also serves as a meditative practice, allowing the practitioner to return to mindfulness and observe the mind without attachment. Paper symbolizes personalization, a gesture imbued with unique, directed energy. In Buddhism, writing is also an act of creation, a means of shaping one's destiny. When writing your name and intentions, keep your mind clear and tranquil. Visualize your aspirations as already fulfilled and express gratitude to the universe for the blessings to come. An essential part of preparation is the mental and spiritual state of the practitioner. Before beginning the ritual, take a moment to connect with your breath and enter a meditative state. Meditation in Buddhism helps the mind remain settled and clear, forming a strong foundation for spiritual practice. Breathe deeply, allowing each exhalation to release anxieties and distractions that might disturb the mind. This mental preparation is crucial, as a purified mind amplifies the power of our intentions. When we are fully present in the ritual, we open a direct channel of communication with the universe. Choose a sacred space or small altar for practice. This space need not be elaborate, but should be clean, orderly, and free from distractions. It may include candles, incense, gemstones, or other spiritual objects that resonate with you. The goal is to create an environment that evokes peace, stillness, and positive energy. The combination of a serene space, well-prepared materials, and sincere intention generates a powerful energetic field that supports the practice. Remember that by preparing the environment, materials, and mind, you are creating a space where your true essence can align with the universe, allowing your intentions to dissolve into the salt water with wisdom and completeness. The first step of the ritual is choosing an appropriate time when you can be completely silent and present in the moment. In Buddhism, the timing of spiritual practice significantly influences the energy we receive. Before beginning, let go of all concerns. Take several deep breaths to unify mind and body. Many people choose to practice in the early morning when the mind is fresh, or at night when the surroundings are quiet. This choice of timing can greatly impact the effectiveness of the ritual. Once the environment and time are set, begin the ritual by writing your name on a piece of paper. In Buddhism, a name carries deep spiritual energy, closely tied to one's essence and origins. Writing your name is an act of planting an intention in the universe. Along with your name, write a specific affirmation or aspiration, such as inner peace, prosperity, or emotional healing. Write mindfully and slowly, as if planting a seed of aspiration in the fertile ground of the mind. Visualize the fulfillment of these desires as you write, keeping your mind calm, open, and filled with faith. In this way, the ritual is not merely an external act, but a transformative practice that deepens our connection with the energy of virtue, awakening, and serenity. When placing your name in salt water, it is essential to maintain focus to channel energy into the practice. The next step is to hold the paper with your name and wishes in your hands, keeping a state of serenity before placing it into the water. Close your eyes and engage in a brief meditation, deeply connecting with your heart and intentions. Visualize the water as a stream of pure energy, ready to receive and empower your aspirations. In Buddhism, visualization is an important practice that helps the mind remain anchored and manifest reality as desired. Take deep breaths, feeling the energy flowing within you and around the paper. When you feel ready, gently place the paper into the salt water, imagining all negativity being cleansed and your intentions being sent to the universe. As the paper gradually dissolves in the water, maintain mindfulness and spiritual connection. This is a moment of deep introspection and inner listening. The paper, now carrying your intentions, is being purified and infused with benevolent energy. Visualize your aspirations merging with the water and radiating into the universe as waves of positive energy. If needed, you can silently or audibly repeat an affirmation or mantra to reinforce your intention, such as, "I open my heart to receive all the blessings of the universe." This repetition creates a continuous vibration that supports the fulfillment of your desire. After a few minutes of meditation and visualization, allow the salt water and paper to rest undisturbed in a quiet place for at least 24 hours. During this time, the energy of the salt water continues to work, cleansing and amplifying your intentions. In Buddhism, patience and detachment are important virtues. The practitioner must trust the process without becoming attached to the outcome. As the paper begins to dissolve in the water, it symbolizes the act of letting go, releasing your wishes into the natural flow of the universe. You may choose to cover the container or leave it open, depending on your intuition. What matters most is maintaining a peaceful mindset, free from attachment, and allowing everything to unfold naturally. When the time has passed, you can dispose of the salt water in a suitable place, with gratitude and faith that your intentions have been received and merged with the universal energy flow. After the ritual, cover the container with a light cloth to preserve the purity of the ritual while it takes place. After at least 24 hours, complete the ritual by gently removing the remaining paper and respectfully disposing of the salt water. This disposal should be done with reverence. It may be poured onto the earth, in a garden, or in a natural place. In Buddhism, the earth symbolizes stability and nourishment, helping our intentions connect with the universe. As you perform this step, cultivate a heart of gratitude, either silently or aloud, expressing thanks for the purification and alignment the ritual has provided. Gratitude is a powerful practice that helps maintain a high vibrational energy and fosters spiritual well-being. You may experience a sense of peace, lightness, or even an immediate shift in energy. This is a time for reflection, nurturing what you have asked for, and trusting in the natural unfolding of causes and conditions. After performing the ritual of placing your name in salt water, you may wonder what signs to expect in your life. According to Buddhist teachings, the energy we emit returns to us in some way. This principle also applies to spiritual practices like this ritual. The first signs of transformation may be subtle, perhaps a deep sense of tranquility, a feeling of lightness, more vivid dreams, or a sudden insight into a challenging situation. These small signals serve as reminders of the ongoing process of change and interconnectedness. When we cultivate wholesome intentions, the universe responds in harmony. Continue your practice with faith and a peaceful heart. Signs of transformation. As energy begins to move and realign in your life, new space is created to welcome what you truly seek. Stay mindful and attentive to even the smallest signs, as they may be the beginning of profound transformations. Beyond subtle signals, more noticeable changes may arise in your environment or life circumstances. In Buddhist teachings, the principle of cause and effect is fundamental. What you sow in terms of intention and action will manifest accordingly. After performing the ritual, you may find that opportunities, people, or situations unexpectedly align, paving the way for new possibilities. It could be a chance encounter with someone who presents an important opportunity, a creative solution to an old problem, or a renewed sense of harmony in your personal relationships. These occurrences are not mere coincidences, but reflections of the energy you set in motion through the ritual. However, not all changes that follow the ritual will immediately appear positive. Sometimes, the purification process brings up unresolved emotions or challenges that must be faced before true blessings can manifest. In Buddhism, this concept is known as the emergence of purifying karma. Obstacles arise not to punish you but to help you grow and free yourself from past patterns. If difficulties arise after the ritual, see them as opportunities to practice acceptance, patience, and self-reflection. Facing these challenges may be a crucial step in your journey toward energetic and spiritual alignment. Self-reflection and maintaining practice. To fully understand the impact of the ritual, self-reflection is essential. In Buddhism, the practice of looking inward, examining our thoughts, emotions, and actions, is a core element of spiritual growth. After completing the ritual, take time to meditate and observe any changes in your inner and outer world. Ask yourself, what shifts am I noticing? Or, how can I align even more with what I seek to manifest? Keeping a journal to record your thoughts, emotions, and any signs or synchronicities you perceive can strengthen your spiritual practice and provide deeper insight into how the ritual is shaping your life. Furthermore, maintaining regular practice is crucial. In Buddhism, diligence and consistency are essential to cultivating a peaceful mind and an aligned spirit. Depending on your experience, you may consider repeating the ritual as part of your ongoing spiritual journey, ensuring continued connection with yourself and the universe. Essential tips. Depending on how you feel after the initial ritual, you may consider repeating it at regular intervals, such as weekly or monthly. This practice helps reinforce your intentions and maintain a steady flow of positive energy. Each time you perform the ritual, you are reaffirming your commitment to personal growth and transformation. Additionally, each new practice is an opportunity for deeper reflection, allowing you to refine your intentions and gain a greater understanding of your spiritual path. When the mind is calm and clear, you will be more attuned to the subtle changes unfolding in your life. The practice of gratitude. Gratitude plays a vital role in any spiritual practice. In the saltwater ritual, expressing appreciation for the universe, the energy at work, and yourself is essential in keeping your vibration high and attracting even more blessings into your life. Gratitude creates a harmonious cycle of energy. By practicing thankfulness, you raise the vibrational frequency of your intentions and open yourself to receiving even more goodness. Always end your reflections with a moment of gratitude, recognizing that you are on the right path and that each step, no matter how small, is bringing you closer to the life you seek to manifest. Maintaining an attitude of gratitude and positivity is key to continuing to resonate with the frequency of your desires, even after the ritual has been completed. A simple way to cultivate this habit is by keeping a gratitude journal, where you write down 3 things you are grateful for each day. This small exercise helps you focus on the blessings already present in your life and attracts even more abundance. Additionally, being mindful of the influences around you, such as the people you interact with, the environments you spend time in, and the content you consume, is essential to sustaining positive energy. Surrounding yourself with uplifting energy, inspiring individuals, and harmonious spaces will help keep your spirit elevated and maintain the energetic alignment necessary for manifesting your desires. Planting seeds of goodness. If you feel that this ritual has brought clarity and inspiration to your spiritual journey, continue nurturing positive energy through small, mindful actions each day. Share your thoughts and experiences, and spread peace and positivity to those around you. Always remind yourself, I keep my energy positive and my heart open to the blessings of the universe. Every time you repeat or reflect on this affirmation, you strengthen your intention and continue to attract high vibrations into your life. May you always walk in peace on your spiritual path.